We have taken 2 balls of gram flour to make dumplings. We have taken 2 medium-sized onions which are finely chopped. And these are 4 green chilies. If you less spicy, then you take less green chilies. I have 4. Salt is to be tested. It's chili. We have half a teaspoon of baking soda. This is 2 potatoes that we cut. It's 2 cup of gram flour. This is 4 spoons of oil that I have taken for frying. Friends, you will add some butter to it and it will be whisked. It has to be beaten very well. Now we are going to whisk the gram flour. In this way, it will be puffed by adding baking powder to it and it will not be left lumps. This gram flour has been beaten. Take a cup of water like it is taken and put a little gram flour batter in it. If the gram flour come up, then the gram flour has been beaten well, and if it sits down, then the gram flour has not been beaten. The gram flour which has come up means that the gram flour has been beaten well. Add salt as per taste. I have taken half a teaspoon of salt here. Take the chili and salt according to your taste. Because I am taking more green chilies, I have taken 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. Now we add onions and add green chilies and add potatoes and whisk them together. I have taken 6 spoons of oil. Remove the scramble from the pan. Take a little butter, put it in the pan and turn the gas on the medium. If your pan is small, then add 4 to 5 mixture of batter, and pan is large, then you can add more mixture. Turn out all the dumplings so until we get golden brown. An important tips is to keep water in a bowl when you make dumplings. If there is a mixture in your hand, then it will be washed. Now the dumplings are fried. The dumplings are golden brown. Now let's remove the dumplings from the pan. You can enjoy mint chutney, tomato sauce, chili sauce with coriander leaf chutney. Squeeze out its oil. Now we take out the dumplings in a plate. Dumpling color is most beautiful. Dumplings are ready to eat. Put chutney one side of the plate. See how beautiful it looks. You can also add coriander leaves. In this way, if you like very crispy, then you can add semolina or rice flour to it with gram flour powder.